everybody, it's DJ Dr. D. Here's another video on how I stack the firewood and how I process it. Here we go. Here's how we stack it. Here we have the bark up. It helps repel the water and helps it season better and keeps the water off. Like I said, these are 16-inch pieces. And what we do is I stack them into a bundle. I usually get around between 14 to 16 pieces per bundle, as you can see in my other videos. And here we have the Champion 27-ton wood splitter that it comes back and it splits the wood and then releases. And then we have bark that comes off sometimes. And whatever we do, sometimes we burn it, sometimes we just get rid of it. And over here we have the green wood that we're splitting. This is green wood right now. This will be sometime late next year's firewood. So, and there you go. I am burning some of the seasoned firewood for this year. I like to test it out and make sure it's ready before I bundle it up for customers. All right, everybody, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Once again, this is DJ Dr. D. Have a wonderful Saturday night.